Let's talk about copy and paste in Excel. Copy and paste are commands that work pretty much in Excel like in any other program. You simply select these cells, the ones that you want to copy, and the copy and paste commands are right here in the Home tab under Clipboard. What you do is you select copy, and as soon as you select copy, you get these little marching ants around the cells that you've just copied. And then you put yourself on the cell where you want to paste, and you select paste. Just like that. And Excel copies the cell contents. Notice I said the cell contents and not the values. What do I mean by that? Well, it's important to know that if your cell has a formula, like this one, you're going to copy the formula. You're not going to copy the values. In other words, this is probably not going to read 1.4% because Excel is going to copy the formula and adjust it. We'll see a little bit later how it adjusts it. But as you can see, I get zeros here and I get the formula in the cell contents, just like that. Copy and paste also pastes my cell formats. In other words, look at this one. This cell is boldface and it has a little border. If I copy it over here, I get the cell contents and the formats. This is a really useful way to copy formats somewhere else. Let's say that you want to add an additional column here and you want these same formats. Now you could go and set these manually using boldface and whatnot, but the easiest way to transfer them, simply take one of the cells at the title, copy it, and paste it here. And then just delete what it has inside. And the cell is going to keep the border and it's going to keep bold. You see, just like that. Same thing down here. Only here we have to be careful with these formats because we're going to copy either the currency format or the percentage format into the cell that we're doing. So we really have to understand what this is. For example, if we have manager code and all I want is two horizontal lines and I don't really want any contents. For example, if I'm simply stating what the manager here is and I don't need to sum these numbers, well, I'm going to take this one right here and copy it and paste it just like that, and then I'm going to delete the cell contents total. Now, why is that important, what I just said about selecting your formats correctly? Well, let's say that I was working percentages and I copied this one and I pasted this one. I've just pasted the percentage format into my cell. So if this is 150, 160, 155, and so on. Let's say these aren't manager codes, but something else. Let's say estimated costs, something like that. And I wanted the total of these, and I do a total here. Watch what happens. I get 721,000%, which is not what I want. This is because this cell has a percentage format. What I should have done is come into here, copied this one, and pasted it there. And with that, I can get the correct number format right here, 7,210. That's more or less how you copy and paste in Excel. There's other options. There's paste special, there's paste formats, and things of the sort, which we'll see in another tutorial. But in general, that's how copy and paste works in Excel. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. If you liked the video, be sure to subscribe to our channel and to visit our website, cubicleoverlords.com, for more instructional videos like this one.